Thank you for interest in our production process. Let me start introduce the detail. Mainly of our orders are according to customers' request, so each order has different requirements. To ensure our commitment to customers, each of our colleagues takes work very seriously and attaches great importance to each order. Before each order production, a pre-production meeting will be held with relevant sales personnel to understand the special requirements of each order, including the printing, the material, the production time and any more. These are our necessary jobs. In ordering materials, we have cooperated closely with our cooperative suppliers for many years, and paid special attention to the material requirements, especially the material standards are based on European standards, including PVC, polyester, inner lining, insulation foam, webbing, zipper, and many others, all focus on quality and ensure the safety of users. Our supervisor at cutting department has more than 20 years of experience. Under his leadership, each piece of fabric can be cut to the most perfect curve, so that each bag can highlight its unique style and reduce the loose. 680 meters dedicated screen printing workbenches can produce about 10,000 PCs of A4 size prints per day. In terms of printing technology, even as single color, multicolor or reflective effect, which can all be handled and every piece of printing is as beautiful as a picture album. Sewing skilled workers focus on sewing each bag every day, and deal with every detail carefully. It is their pride to make the perfect bag. We have a team of professional and responsible inspectors to carefully inspect each bag before packaging, ensure that each bag can be delivered to customers perfectly, so that every product sold by customers can be well received. Each bag will re-cleaned before packaging and then placed in an independent bag and put into carton box, lets the bags are neatly and cleanly delivered to the customer. After the above introduction, I believe that you have a certain understanding of our production process. If you need to know more about us, please feel free to contact us. Hope we can reach a cooperation opportunity in the near future. Our email is sales@hongsheng.com.hk. Thank you for attention.